So you take a deep inhale with the mouth and expand the chest, and then let the air fall out. So, deep breath in. Let the air fall.
This weekend is all about relationships. And for me, what I've discovered is that the most important relationship that I have is the one that I have with myself. And that where I'm at in my relationship with myself is reflected in the relationships in my life.
And your eyes will blink. And each blink will bring you more calm, more peaceful, more relaxed. So as I started to play with this in BDSM, I became more conscious in the rest of my life who is kind of knocking on the door of my brain, wanting to come forward. And then, wait for it, we shift from being a human reactivity to a human co-creativity. So if we're not conscious of who's inside, who's in that stretch limo inside of us, who's in that bus inside of us, then at any moment, one of the inner aspects can just grab the wheel, grab the gas, and is taking us somewhere.
And the answers that you're looking for have to happen in that history. They can't happen here. You get to decide who comes through the fence every moment of your adult life now. You didn't have a choice then, you do now.
Like, your need for love and connection is basically my need. Me being in love with you means that your need for love and connection is mine. It's that really grounding affirmation, right? That you're seeing them and that you're there with them and they're not alone. Because that's the biggest thing, is being alone with your fears and your traumas and your pain.